love the question. What's been absolutely fascinating throughout this entire accelerator has been how quickly and deeply my entire product and engineering team has connected with virtually every part of the organization, from marketing to sales to customer success to members of leadership. We've all come together in a cohort and worked in smaller breakout groups together to uncover new ways to better serve our customer. And how can we leverage AI to do that? And so here we are at the end of 3 weeks, and my team has seen demos and MVPs across all of the teams that have been working on group projects together. They've seen requirements and worked on roadmaps together. And so now we're coming out of this program with a clear plan, a roadmap forward to integrate and roll out these new solutions to our customers. And all of this happened in 3 short weeks. And it wasn't just product or any one team working in isolation. We've been learning by doing. We've came into this experience understanding the business context as to why this is important, why now, why us, why this opportunity, and why we needed to work closely together across the organization to bring new value to our customers. And so it's just been a really awesome experience. Here we are leaving the accelerator with a plan of attack to get these new capabilities out to our customers. And I've just never seen it run so fast and efficiently before, with clear alignment across the organization. So everything from the training and the enablement of teams internally in terms of why are we doing this? Why are we building these new capabilities? It just has never been that easy before. And so just a really impactful experience for my team.